everyone
Hi,
stay the night.
Hello, everyone. Kaya kailangan modulate kasi Inka. Parang AI yung nagboboses. Ang ganda ng boses. Yung pala, Inka
Thank you.
Yes.
Such a pleasure.
Napansin ko kasi pinapanood ko yung mga videos mo, kapag nagvo-voice over ka, napapansin ko, meron kang katabi, tapos sasabihin sa'yo, okay, ito lang ang babasahin natin itong paragraph lang na to. Tapos ikaw, babasahin mo ng babasahin that paragraph, tapos biglang i-cue ka na gano'n, tapos magbabasa ka na, pagkatas mo magbasa, i-cross out mo yon,
Yeah.
tapos, okay, next paragraph, ito lang ako.
And then
Tapos
I'll circle it, I'll
Isi-circle
highlight
mo,
it.
oo, tapos babasahin mo ng ulit-ulit, tapos,
Yeah.
parang sabi ko, parang robot.
And I'll
Kailangan
put
mo-
my finger there
Correct,
para hindi
nakaganon
mawala.
ka. Oo, tsaka meron kang kino-cross out mo isa-isa.
Kasi that's what I need to focus on that.
Kasi kapag hindi mo kin-cross out na gano'n,
Mawawala ako.
hindi mo alam kung nasaan ka na.
I will get lost. So I need to
ilang paragraph lang yun
I don't know why. Tapos madadapa ako. Like, I'll know parang, okay, ito pala. Pero, nagkamali na ako. Hindi na ako makafocus. Kasi, I already made a mistake. May anxiety na ako. Tuloy-tuloy na yung bulol. Oh, it's bad. So,
Why?
I've set up all of these parang safety nets for me.
Oo.
Para kung naka-blinders na yung horses, diba yung ganyan? Like that.
Oo. So,
I need that to function.
So, paano kapag biglang may unexpected na nangyari?
I trained myself to really just that's why I have earplugs.
Nag-post ka ng video doon sa GMA Gala, tapos nagkaroon ng technical problem.
You may now take your seats.
Nag-technical problem. Tapos sabi ko, ang cool naman ni Inka.
Yeah.
Parang dead ma lang siya.
Mhm.
May earplugs ka.
I can hear it pa rin around me, but
Stress na lahat ng tao eh. Yung director sumisigaw na nun eh.
and
Ikaw nakaganon ka lang.
because I was like, I cannot make a mistake. Kasi the moment I
ganon
look
ka.
away, the moment I look away, that's it. Actually, there was one part there na I almost slipped.
Oo.
It's because I looked up.
Ayan, nakala ninyo perfect si Miss Inka. Magaling na siya magtago.
Yes. You build systems around it para matakpan lahat ng mga butas. To run a tight ship.